Hey there, food lovers. If you're a dessert enthusiast, then you need to hear this. We created the best Philadelphia cheesecake ever. Master the art of creating a cheesecake that will amaze even the most sophisticated taste buds with our easy-to-follow instructions. Get ready to embark on this mouth-watering journey. Let's dive in. Let's not waste any time. Gather the ingredients and tools to make the magic happen with our cheesecake. Ensure you have ready cream cheese, sugar, eggs, vanilla extract, and sour cream. Everything you need is available at your local supermarket. Get ready to create a delectable treat. We'll need graham cracker crumbs, sugar, and melted butter for the crust to create a perfect, crunchy foundation. Remember these key tools: a springform pan, food processor, mixer, rubber spatula, and roasting pan for the water bath. They are essential for creating our culinary masterpieces. With everything prepped, we're ready to embark on our cheesecake adventure. Let's create a delicious, creamy cheesecake that will impress everyone. Before we dive into the creamy goodness, let's create a buttery foundation that even your toast would envy. The first step is constructing a solid base to uphold the delectable layers. This foundation is essential because it perfectly contrasts the smooth, rich filling. Next is where our reliable food processor comes into play. The unsung hero turns ordinary graham crackers into the perfect foundation for our dessert. Whirl those graham crackers until they resemble fine crumbs, the perfect texture for a crumbly crust. The finer the crumbs, the better they will bind together. Don't forget to incorporate the sugar and melted butter into the graham cracker crumbs. The sugar hints at sweetness, while the butter binds everything with its luxurious flavor. Pulse the mixture until it resembles wet sand, ensuring the crust holds its shape. Now, press this mixture into the bottom of your springform pan. Press firmly to create a compact layer that will support the filling. It is crucial to use the back of a spoon or your fingers to create an even layer. This step is essential for ensuring a uniform crust that bakes evenly. For an added touch of indulgence, pop the crust into a preheated oven and bake for just 10 minutes. This short baking time will help the crust to set, giving it that perfect, delightful crunch. Remember, a well-baked crust is the key to a cheesecake that slices perfectly and looks as good as it tastes. And there you have it, the perfect foundation for your cheesecake masterpiece, ready for the next delicious layer. Next up, the star of our cheesecake, the filling. Beat the cream cheese and sugar in a large bowl until smooth and fluffy. This is when your mixer shines, guaranteeing a smooth and luxurious texture. One by one, beat in the eggs, ensuring each is fully incorporated before adding the next. Be sure to avoid overbeating the cheesecake batter to prevent cracks. A gentle touch is crucial for a perfect result. Lastly, add a dash of vanilla extract and a dollop of sour cream and stir it all together. Remember, these ingredients add subtle complexity to the flavor, creating a cheesecake symphony in your mouth. There you have it, the perfect creamy filling for your cheesecake. Get ready for a golden reward of deliciousness just around the corner. Remember, patience is vital to achieve the perfect result. Let's get baking. Pour the creamy filling over the cooled graham cracker crust. Use your spatula to create a smooth, even surface on top for perfect baking. Here's a helpful baking tip to guarantee a flawless cheesecake: the water bath. Make sure to put the springform pan inside a larger roasting pan. Fill the roasting pan with hot water so it reaches halfway up the sides of the springform pan. This creates a humid environment in the oven, preventing the cheesecake from drying out and cracking. Bake the cheesecake for about an hour, or until the center is slightly jiggly. Ensure that the edges are adorned with a captivating golden hue. Behold the flawless Philadelphia cheesecake. If you're not a fan of waiting for your dessert but still crave a flawless cheesecake, embrace the slow and steady method. Once the cheesecake is baked, please turn off the oven and let it cool inside with the door open. It is essential to remember that gradual cooling prevents sudden temperature changes that can lead to cracks. After an hour in the oven, carefully remove the cheesecake from the water bath and let it cool completely on a wire rack. Remember to allow the cheesecake to settle and firm up, as this will guarantee a smooth texture. Cover the cheesecake and refrigerate for at least 4 hours, or even better, overnight. Allowing the flavors to meld and the cheesecake to set fully is essential for achieving the perfect taste and texture. Get ready for the moment we've all been waiting for, the unveiling of your masterpiece. Carefully run a thin knife around the edges of the cheesecake to loosen it from the sides of the pan. After chilling, carefully remove the springform pan to unveil your flawlessly smooth and lusciously creamy cheesecake. Let's celebrate all that hard work and appreciate the results of your efforts. Capture the magic of this moment with a photo and savor every bite of your mouth-watering creation. Prepare for a fantastic surprise. Get ready to be amazed. Want to create the perfect cheesecake every time? Here are some fantastic tips. Before you start, ensure that all your ingredients are at room temperature. Be sure not to overmix the batter, especially after adding the eggs. When you overmix, you incorporate too much air into the batter, leading to unsightly cracks during baking. Thoroughly mixing is crucial for ensuring a smooth and lump-free filling. Remember that using a water bath is crucial to preventing a dry, cracked cheesecake. It may seem like an additional step, but believe me, it makes all the difference. Patience is essential. Make sure to give the cheesecake plenty of time to cool and chill. This ensures a perfectly set and flavorful dessert. Enjoy. Get ready to elevate your cheesecake game with the ultimate presentation. Here's how to make your cheesecake look as unique as it tastes. Elevate your dish with a dollop of freshly whipped cream and a scattering of fresh berries. Let your imagination run wild with toppings. Drizzle on some luscious chocolate sauce, add a touch of caramel, or sprinkle on some chopped nuts. The options are limitless. Serve the cheesecake by slicing it into generous portions and presenting it with a flourish. Impress your guests with your exceptional baking skills. Prepare for a delightful experience with every single bite. Now that you've mastered creating the best Philadelphia cheesecake ever, don't be afraid to experiment with different flavors to make it your own. Truly, add a swirl of lemon curd to the filling for a bright, citrusy twist. Chocolate lovers will adore a decadent chocolate cheesecake. Add melted chocolate to the filling for a decadent, indulgent treat. For a taste of the tropics, try a mango cheesecake. Blend fresh mango puree into the filling for a vibrant and fruity dessert. The possibilities are endless, so get creative and enjoy your delicious creations. Creating the ultimate Philadelphia cheesecake involves more than just following a recipe. It's about creating something unique. This iconic dessert from Philadelphia has captured hearts worldwide. It's rich, creamy, and utterly irresistible. Each bite is a symphony of flavors and textures. It's the perfect balance of sweetness and tanginess. The velvety, smooth texture and endless topping possibilities make it unique. However, it's more than that. It's about the joy of baking. Witness the fulfillment that comes with bringing your vision to reality. Share the joy with your loved ones. What's not to love? Remember, baking is an art, and every cheesecake is a masterpiece. Embrace the delectable world of cheesecake. Discover the endless possibilities of this classic dessert. Gather your ingredients, preheat your oven, and create a Philadelphia cheesecake that will be the talk of the town. Hey there, food lovers! Did you know that making the most amazing Philadelphia cheesecake is easier than you think? Thanks for watching. Share your mouth-watering creation with us on social media and tag us. You can also drop your cheesecake pics in the comments below. And hey, don't forget to show some love by hitting that like button, subscribing to the channel, and ringing the notification bell for updates on all things sweet and delicious. Until next time, happy baking.